this problem from double integration, and the problem is show in diagram the field of integration of the integral. We have to find or we have to show the field of integration, that is the region of integration. The integration is integration x equal to 0 to 1 dx into integration x to 1 by x y dy by 1 plus xy whole square into 1 plus y square, and by changing the order of integration we must have to change the order of integration and show that the value of the integration is pi minus 1 by 4. The value of the integration is also given, that is the answer is given. We have to prove this integration is equal to this by changing the order of integration, and we must have to show the region of integration or field of integration, right? From the integration it is given that x equal to 0 to x equal to 1 and y this is equal to x to y this is equal to 1 by x, that is xy this is equal to 1. So we write the first quadrant only because the value of x from 0 to 1, so this is 0, that is origin, and y axis this is x axis, x equal to 0 means y axis, and here two curves. The first is y equal to x, this is the straight line, this, and the second is rectangular hyperbola, this is okay approximately like this. And we know that xy this is equal to 1 and y equal to x have the common point of intersection is 1 1. This is the point A, this is 1 1, right? So our field of integration is, you will produce the y-axis and the curve is like this, because y-axis and x-axis both are the asymptotes of this curve, okay? And our region of integration is from y equal to x to y equal to 1 by x. So the region of integration is here, this is the region of integration, okay? And it is given that integration x equal to 0 to 1 dx into integration x to 1 minus 1 by x, this is y equal to y dy by 1 plus xy whole square into 1 plus y square. If we want to integrate this integrand with respect to y, then we cannot do this. We must have to change the order of integration to evaluate the integration, okay? So by changing the order of integration, we first take y equal to, what is the value of y? It is given that the value of y from 0 to infinity, because y-axis is the asymptotes. So we divide the region or field of integration into two parts. The first part is, this is y equal to 1, this line is y equal to 1, right? So we take the first integration from y equal to 0 to y equal to 1, and the second integration is y equal to 1 to y equal to infinity, because here y equal to 1 and this is tending to infinity, okay? We first write the integration of y, and here we write dy or y dy by 1 plus y square, because this term y by 1 plus y square dy, this is the independent of x, and we also write here y dy by 1 plus y square, and the second is, this is dx by 1 plus xy whole square, this is also dx by 1 plus xy whole square. And what are the range of this x? or the range of x. In the first integration, the range of x, if we draw a line parallel to or strip parallel to x-axis, then we get the strip like this. Here x equal to 0 and here x equal to y. Okay, so in the first integration we get x, this is equal to 0, to x, this is equal to y. And in the second case, that is from this to infinity, if we take a strip parallel to x-axis like this, and we get this, and here x, this is equal to 0, and here x, this is equal to 1 by y. Okay, so here the range of x is from 0 to 1 by y. So we change the order of integration. Okay, we first take the integration with respect to x, then we take second. Now we can easily integrate these two integration. We get this is integration y, this is equal to 0 to 1 y dy by 1 plus y square, and this integration becomes minus 1 by 1 plus xy, and for this y we get another y, because here y treated as constant. Okay, and the range is 0 to y, plus integration 1 to infinity y dy by 1 plus y square, and similarly we get minus 1 by y into 1 plus xy, and the range is 0 to 1 by y. And by putting the range we get y by 1 plus y square into, we cancel out y, so we cannot get y here, and we get 1 minus 1 by 1 plus y square. We put first 0 because there is a minus, and dy plus integration 1 to infinity, also y cancel out, so we get 1 plus y square, and this is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 dy. Right, so we get integration 0 to 1, this is y square by 1 plus y square whole square dy, and the second integration is 1 to infinity, this is half because 1 minus half is half, dy by 1 plus y. Now to integrate the first integration, we put here y, this is equal to tan theta. Okay, then dy, this is equal to sec square theta d theta, and the range becomes, here range is y and theta, range is 0 to 1, and then tan theta means 0 and 1 means pi by 4. So the range of the first integration is 0 to pi by 4, and the integrand becomes y square means tan square theta by 1 plus y square whole square, this means sec to the power 4 theta, and dy means sec square theta d theta. Clear? This is the first integration, and the second integration is half into, this is clearly a very easy integration, this is tan inverse y, and the range is 1 to infinity. Okay, and we cancel out sec square theta, there remains sec square theta, and if we tan theta and sec theta cancel out, then we get integration 0 to pi by 4, this is sine square theta d theta, plus half into tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 1. Right, and the first integration is half into integration 0 to pi by 4, this is 2 sine square theta, so 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta, and the second integration is half into, this is tan inverse infinity means pi by 2 minus tan inverse 1 means pi by 4. So we get half into, this is pi by 4 minus, this is sine 2 theta. So we get half into sine pi by 2 minus sine 0 means 0. So we cannot write 0 here. This is half into pi by 4, and the first is half into pi by 4. So adding this term and this term, we get pi by 4 minus, this is half into sine pi by 2 means 1. So half into half, this is 1 by 4. So the final answer is pi minus 1 by 4, and this is our required result.